Hello, everyone. Today, we will walk through the Report Scheduler feature in Devum platform and how you can automate report delivery with ease. From the Dev space, click on Report Scheduler in the left side panel. This navigates you to the Report Scheduler workspace, where all the new schedules are configured. Now, what is Report Scheduler? The Report Scheduler allows us to automatically schedule and deliver reports at defined intervals, daily, weekly, or monthly, without manual effort. This ensures stakeholders receive updated insights consistently and on time. To schedule a report, first navigate to the report you would like to automate. Please note that report pages are created through the App Studio. We have a separate video explaining that process in detail. You can refer to it for step-by-step guidance. Now, navigate to the Report Scheduler section and click on the scheduling option labeled New Schedule. Start by giving your schedule a name, then choose the report page that needs to be scheduled. Next, navigate to Recurrence Details. Select the start date and choose the recurrence type based on your requirement, whether it's daily, weekly, or monthly. Then configure the frequency accordingly. Define the execution time and select the appropriate time zone. Finally, specify the end date or determine how long the schedule should run. Based on your requirement, select the relevant options by checking the appropriate boxes. Next, move to the Output Configuration section. Here, enter the output file name, select the desired file format, choose the appropriate report format, such as PDF or any other supported format, and also specify the output destination and proceed. Then navigate to the Notification section. Add the recipient email addresses to ensure the report is delivered to the right stakeholders. Select the relevant notification category and finally click Save to complete the schedule setup. With Report Scheduler, you eliminate manual sharing, ensure consistency in reporting, and improve operational efficiency. It's a simple yet powerful automation tool within Devum. Thank you.